Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a poll on Instagram. Okay, here I have opened my Instagram application on my phone, and there are two ways to create a poll on Instagram. The first one is you can create the Instagram poll on your group chat, and the second one you can create your poll on your Instagram story. And I'm going to show you how we can create a poll on Instagram story or poll on the group chat. First one, I'm going to show you how we can create Instagram poll on group chat. So we can open our group chat, tap on the Instagram direct message, then I'm going to open my group chat. So this is my group chat, and you can click on this sticker button. Then since we want to create a poll, we can click on the sticker button again, then we can click on poll. Okay, just click on poll, then you can add poll question, and I'm just going to put random question right here just for an example. Okay, like this, then just click on create poll. Okay, and now the poll has been created on this group chat, and I'm going to show you how we can create a poll on Instagram story. So you can tap on your story to create your Instagram story, and I'm just going to upload a photo from my device. So for example, I'm going to add this photo. Okay, then you can click on the sticker button, then just simply tap on poll. Okay, and you can ask question like this, then just click on done. And alright guys, that's how we can create poll on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.